So this is how my hair looks with just like regular bathroom lighting. You guys can already see this lace is chef's kiss. It's doing what it's supposed to do, baby. This is the way it looks with like my room lighting. So I'm in my room right now and this is how it's looking. Again, very, very natural, very nice. It's raining, so you know, it's not as like clear sky, but I just wanted to show you guys how this was looking in like natural lighting and outside. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Oluchi. If you don't already know that, that means you're new to my channel. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button, ring that notifications bell to get all the notifications whenever I post. Welcome and join the Oluchi gang family because we are growing, glowing. It is forever a movement. I feel like it's been so long since I actually said that. It's like a recital now in my head, but it just feels so amazing. And I'm just so excited that I'm even getting to come back on here, and you guys have still been really loyal, messaging me and figuring out where I was. I promise that I've been thinking about y'all for sure, but I'm slowly trying to make my way back into the space, and I'm hoping that I'm gonna give you guys some more juicy content. So starting off today, I'm going to be trying out hair from LUVME Hair. Of course, I really love it when brands go like the extra mile of branding really well and sending like free gifts. It kind of gives you like an incentive to like, you know, buy from them again, to buy from them again, because you know you're just not getting the one thing you paid for, and who doesn't like free gifts, right? It comes with the hair in this nice packaging. I love when companies definitely put hair in like either a satin lined bag or a bag like this. Just because it allows it to be a carrying bag after like use as well. So when you travel, you put your hair in this bag and just throw it in your box. Comes with a comb because you need to comb your hair, baby. And then a nice satin lined scrunchie. Very essential, especially for like nighttime, because before you put your hair like in a bonnet, you usually want to pack it up, y'all. Like faux press-on nails. And then it has some earrings. I'm not quite sure what this is, but I think it's like, because it has like a sticker at the back, so I think it's one of those things like for your phone. I think it's like this one that I have on here, something similar. That's kind of vibe it gives me, right? So I think that's what it is. And it comes with 2 sets of lashes. Very pretty lashes, actually. Like I would actually wear these, y'all. Like I would legitimately wear these. I'm gonna give you guys the full deets of this hair. Undetectable, invisible, lace straight, 13x4 frontal lace wig. That was a lot to say, and I think it's in the length 22. I'm definitely gonna leaving like obviously some more information about it, but in the description box below. But this is like on the website. Look how gorgeous it looks on her. Very pretty, and the model is gorgeous, y'all. It looks really, really good, and you can already see that it's like pretty much like customized a little bit. Obviously not to like, some people like do a lot more with their customizations, but for the most part, you know, we have a hairline, y'all. Like we have a hairline that we can work with. Like, so I just brought this out right out of like the box. I haven't bleached the knots or anything, and I don't even think it needs me to bleach the knot. Definitely just gonna use like the Got To Be glue spray. I'm not even going to like custom this like hairline or anything. I'm just going to cut the lace and stick it down, y'all. Like that's how nice I feel. Like I already like this hair. Like it's giving real invisible. Do you guys see that? Oh my God, that is so exciting. I don't even, first of all, like the fact that I don't even have to glue it down. Are you guys understand what I'm saying? I don't even have to glue this hair down. Like I could straighten this hair right now, not have to glue it out and leave my house like this, and I'll still be a snack. Like, what? It's literally giving scalp. Like it's so like the lace is so undetectable. All right, y'all, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish off the other side, straightening it out, finish off like all the styling, and then we'll come back and we'll take this all together and see how my lace is looking. Whoa, y'all, this is looking so good. Ooh, this is looking so good. Absolutely love how this just, oh my gosh. I feel like a baddie. Actually, I am one, but like I look like one too. And this hair was so seamless, like very easy install, y'all. Look, like I didn't even have to do any type of customization. I pretty much put on this wig. This one, maybe, like, this is definitely a go-to hair. And it's so crazy because like, it's just perfect. Like as much as I love to slay, I'm always for anything that's just gonna make my life that much easier. And honey, this hair, you don't have to be a professional. This is a beginner-friendly wig. This hair, I highly recommend. 10 out of 10 so far. I really don't have any issues with it so far. It's super soft, y'all. I came really straight, and then I just barely like even like put like any heat on this hair, and it's like already like giving. You guys can see like it's super true to length. It's actually even a little bit longer because this is only supposed to be 22 inches. I'm 5'9". Like it's long hair don't even be looking long on me because I'm so tall, but this is definitely like at my waist. Hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Please go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already. Like this video, share it with your friends, and I hope that you guys are ready to see my beautiful face all year long because I will be bringing you more of this content, and of course even other spicier, juicy types of content. Please join my family if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in my next one. Don't forget to stay beautiful, choose you, and God bless.